Yes.
Sorry for interrupting you. I think pia Karo Wasiema na yeye sisi tulikuwa tunamtetea aache kutukanwa kwa tulisema kuna mistaken identity, na tukamwambia ile advice tulimpea ni kumwambia aache kutengeneza video zenye zina provoke wa Kenya kufanya kukue na mistaken identity. So I think pia yeye maybe kuna vile yeye maybe anataka kuenda kila pahali akijielezea maybe either anataka kuclout, mimi sijui, cause ile tulimwambia wewe kaa kwa rini yako, usijaribu kufanya video zina provoke wa Kenya. Kwa sasa hii roho ya Tirizani kupona inapona, na yeye akienda kutengeneza video zingine hapo alafu anakuja anatuambia anatukanwa.
Ngoja AC, nimeona mtu guys akinitafunga comments. Guys, ebu msiandike mnini ujinga kwa comment section. Akinitafunga comments na mtapumua. Comments ikifungwa amtapumua, I swear to God guys.
Guys, mujue hakuna kitu tamu kama kucomment, so mujaribu tu kubehave, at least tuendelee na hii live na
no matusi towards Karo Kim. Okay, ujui how long it took me to talk to her ili naye akubali kukuja hapa.
So huyu ni Karo gani yako hapa juu?
Huyu ni Karo Kim. Huyu ni Karo Kim.
Oh, huyu ni Karo Kim.
Ni Karo Kim.
Oh.
Yeah, ni Karo Kim. Na AC, are you willing? Uko willing, yeah? Kuongea maneno zingine magumu later tukishamaliza hii kesi ya nani ya Karo versus Karo.
Oh, hata sina maneno gumu Lady Jackie, nilikuwa nasema nani Karo Wasiema akue tu kwa lini yake, akae hapo tu, aache unajua hiyo ni ukweli.
Hiyo lazima wewe ndio umwambie akiwa hapa, kwa sababu ni kwako alitoka akiwa anakuja kwetu, na venye alikuja kwetu sisi tukampandisha. Tukishampandisha akasema yes alikuwa kwako, lakini hakuridhika na the way that you know the outcome, unaelewa? So ndio sababu aliamua sasa wacha akuje kwa koti, kwa sababu in court it was a proper hearing yenye judge alikuwa anasikiza with evidence, video evidence. Tulienda mpaka kwa Facebook ya Karo Kim, tukaleta picha zake, mavideo zake, tukachukua picha na video za Karo Wasiema tukazileta. It was a complete hearing ya koti, unaelewa? AC,
I understand.
Hapo ndio sasa alifeel ni kama yes, at least sasa amepata nini, a bit of comfort, unaelewa?
Okay, kama alizosheka hapa.
But judge alisema hivi ya kwamba lazima arudi kotini. And during that time judge aliorder ya kwamba Karo Kim pia to make sure amefika kotini.
Oh, sasa nimeelewa, siku anaelewa chenye kinaendelea.
So that is why Karo Kim ameamua hata yeye akuje asaidie hii kesi, ndio turudi kwa zile kesi zingine, the other cases zenye are pending.
Okay.
Yeah. So akija we mwenyewe utamwongelesha Karo Wasiema. I'm still looking for Karo Wasiema, guys. If you see her in the comments, if you can share the live with her, please do. Karo Wasiema, please do. We need her here now, tafadhali. Karo Wasiema, we need her here now, tafadhali, please. Comment section. And remember, we are starting after 100k taps, so keep tapping, guys. Keep tapping. Thank you. Aya, AC unaweza ongea. Let me see if I can.
Kama ndio mimi nitakaa hapa.
Yeah,
ningoje Karo Wasiema akuje.
Yes.
So hiyo ingine mimi na handover kwako, uendeleze koti. Mimi niko hapa ku listen na kutulia nikiwa hapa.
Thank you, AC. Yeah. Thank you, dear. All right, so guys. Okay. So another thing that we need, guys, I know that we are trying really hard to bring Karo here, and I'm hoping members of the public are helping this court to make sure that happens. We are going to need some update from Tata AC shortly. Tukishamalizana na hii kesi ya kwanza, Tata AC will give us will give the court some updates about the progress of Triza so far. Tunataka kujua, you know, where she is, how she's doing, because there are some things that we were hoping she gets. one of which that Tata Esi alituambia ilikuwa ilifaa ende studio a record wimbo, vitu kama hizo. Tutapata 2 updates, guys. So hopefully Triza will come to court after we finish this first case. But first of all, guys, we need to finish with the case because Karo, imagine amestop kwa barabara, akuje koti ndi atoke. So she only has a very short time. If we don't find Karo Wasiama, then I think the judge, you will do a ruling, and we will. I think now we need to close that case and just move to the next case. Yeah, because Wasiama, yeah, ndio huyu Gloria is here. Excellent. So let me remove some members of the public from court. I'm going now to drop members of the public, Pauline, and I'm going to bring the senior counsels up. Maureen, thank you, my lovelies. Let me bring now senior counsels. And of course, Gloria Wasiama is here. Thank you. And very, very quickly. So I saw senior counsel Sunday was here. I don't see him anymore. Senior counsel Sunday, I cannot see you anymore. Where are you? Senior counsel Sunday, ni kama amedrop Ayuko. Senior counsel Sunday is not here. Excellent. All right. So Gloria, where is your sister? Hello, Gloria.
Hi, how are you?
I'm well, Gloria. Where is your sister?
Saizi hayuko in a position to talk. That is why nimepigiwa simu nikaambiwa nikuje, that there's something going on. That is why I'm here.
No. She knows why we are doing this. She was. Do you have can you not talk to her on the phone?
I have called her because nimepigiwa simu. And I've been told that she's needed here. I called her and she said she's not okay to maybe come live. Oh. But any ruling, I will update her. Yeah.
Okay. So the reason why the judge, can you tell us why you needed Karo Wasiama here? Because the court actually gave her time and listened to her case. You know, I think it's only fair that she follows the protocol of the court, unless, of course, ye ni mgonjwa ako hospitali. That's when I think the judge can excuse her. Ebu tuambie, what is happening? Hii ni kumsaidia. Karo Kim is here just to help her, you know? Ili ache
Okay.
Unalewa?
Yeah, naelewa.
We had all this for her. So why is she here?
In the right position to talk.
Oh, she's not, okay. Are you
Madam Prosecutor, very quick. If I can advise, since we don't have a lot of time, I think I rule on this case. I think since Karo Wasiama is at work or she's not in a position to come to this court for clarification, now that we know she's not the one, I think I have to rule this, that the mistaken identity is no more. So we have two Carols, Karo Kim and Karo Wasiama. So that is done. That's my ruling, and the case closed from now henceforth. So can we go back to the main case now? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Now, Karo Kim, are you there? Are you there?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, I know that Karo Wasiama was receiving a lot of abuse, right? How is it for you? Wewe mwenyewe, how is it for you on social media?
Haiko poa.
Haiko poa. Unatusiwa sana?
Yes.
Okay. So maybe before you drop, you can tell us, you know, some of the things unaambiwa, and then the court can actually also consider helping with that.
Unajua, for once, niliambiwa nilitusi Triza, but deep down, she knows I have never insulted her in one way or the other. We have never even engaged. Mimi hata sijui kama najua vile mi huongea. Na hiyo imeleta a very bad image on my side.
Yeah.
Because now everyone think niliwahi mtukana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Na unasema hujawahi mtukana popote?
I've never.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Your Honor, I don't know if there is any. So do you mean that is what is causing people to come on your videos, on your platform, hata kwa inbox yako.
Yeah.
That is, hiyo ndio ina cause hiyo?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Your Honor, I don't know if you can say something before Carol drops. Amesimama tu kando ya barabara, imagine. Yeah. That she can drop and then tuendelee na programming yetu ya leo.
That is Karo Washama, right?
No, this one is now Karo Kim. This is
okay. Karo Kim, Muraya's wife, right?
Muraya's wife. This is Mrs. Muraya.
Okay. So, what kesi yake na Carol Washama, I think imeisha. The trollings there, I think it's null and void because now we know they are two different people, right? So what I would ask them is that because they don't have any beef, they should go privately and make peace on their own. I believe we are all human beings, and then they can sort it out. Otherwise, if there's any complaint, they can bring it to the House of Commons or they can bring it to the Court of Commons and we can preside on that case. Thank you, Madam Prosecutor.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. How about the case of public shame, that ongoing shaming that she's going through, the trolling and abuse that she's going through, Your Honor?
Another submission, separate submission, and we'll handle that too. Our prosecutor through the desk, your desk, that is prosecution desk, and the court clerks. Then we can preside over on those matters. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. All right, so Karo, I think mimi wacha nikwambie kama Lady J, personally as Lady J, I know that as a court, we have to be fair and just. Hiyo ni number one. Therefore, anything we do in court, you know, lazima ifavor kila mtu, unaelewa?
Sure.
And justice has to be served. Okay? So, I know that you are facing a lot of abuse and a lot of trolling.
Yeah.
You do not deserve that at all. I'm going to tell you that from my heart. That is me from my heart. Okay?
Yeah.
And that does not mean that I am not in support of Teresa at all. No.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
That simply means that I love justice. I like when people are treated rightly, okay? And people are treated with care. At the end of the day, lazima tufikirie the well-being of each and every person.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm really sorry that you're being trolled severely. And you are you've shown courage. Hata we kukuja hapa kotini leo is such courage that you have shown. And I hope things get better for you.
Okay.
And all in all, I hope we get some kind of solution in this matter.
I would love
I hope
that.
so. Yes. How do you feel about? I mean, are you okay? Guys, Your Honor, is it okay if I ask some personal questions? Is that okay before she goes?
Yeah, even us, we have questions for her.
You have questions? I don't think she'll be...
Yes, Madam Prosecutor, yes, I was actually thinking that now that we have Karo Kim here, we can allow the senior counsels also to grill her a little bit. And again, members of public, the juries, can also have one-on-one with Karo Kim. So yes, submission sustained, or I'm giving you go ahead on that. Please go ahead.
Okay, can we do that, Your Honor? Can we do that when she's reached the house? Akishafika nyumbani. Kwa sababu sasa kwa barabara.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, na simu yake inaenda off. So,
okay, sure, no problem.
So she will come back. I'm very sure she'll come back.
Okay.
So tumwacha afike home. I don't think she minds. Karo, I'm sure you don't mind. Hapa uko safe. Usiwe na wasiwasi. Karo, unaelewa?
Okay.
Yeah, on this platform you're 100% safe. Just the same way Teresa is safe 100% on this platform. Unaelewa? Kwa hivyo usiwe na wasiwasi, usidhani mtu hapa kutusi ya kudhalilisha na kitu kama hiyo hapa. Okay? Hujakosea. Ogope na watu wakija kwa video zako wanakutusi, that hiyo haikuhusu.
Sure.
Unaelewa?
Yeah.
Hiyo haikuhusu. Their opinion on you haikuhusu, hiyo ni opinion yao.
Okay.
So kila mtu anapambana na opinion yake mwenyewe. Unanielewa mami?
Yes, naelewa.
Thank you. So toka barabarani, tembea very safe, fika home.
Thank you.
Ukishafika nyumbani, plug simu ucharge, alafu rudi. Sawa?
Sawa.
But we look forward to having you. Suga, Shambi, everyone wants to ask you some questions because at the end of the day, all that bullying and trolling, we want it to come to a full end. Tunataka tuishe.
Ni sawa.
Yeah, okay. Travel safe, dear.
Thank you so much.
Haya, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Haya, okay. All right. So guys, wacha afike home. Sue?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wacha afike home.
Yes.
Yeah, but I hear you are looking for me.
Yes, I was looking for you because of there's a lady, kwa guest yako anaitwa Zippy. I wish she can express for on she can do it for herself.
Let me bring her up. Zippy. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, Zippy. Anamtafuta hapa kwa guest.